Hello everyone, welcome to smart-money.trade. We're going to continue with our daily Bank Nifty analysis. Let's just quickly turn on our trend indicator and supply demand indicator and let's see what our supply demand levels and smart money levels suggest us. Trend pretty bearish, all the higher time frames are bearish. Supply zones and demand zones. So yeah, yesterday Bank Nifty did gap up and most of them thought that okay, now it's gonna kind of reverse because it gave a pretty drop previous day and then kind of gapped up on a very high points, and then people were like okay, it's gonna start going up and give a reversal. But we had clearly mentioned in our yesterday's video that this particular level of 35,940 to 950 is kind of a very big resistance now, or like because this was a demand zone when the Bank Nifty was trading above it, but as soon as Bank Nifty managed to close below it, this demand zone kind of turned into a supply zone. So as soon as Bank Nifty came around here, it met with lot of supply from the bears, and we can see there was a nasty reversal we got. We were kind of optimistic that this would be a level from where Bank Nifty could reverse, and that's what actually happened. We were optimistic that Bank Nifty could touch the low of previous day, but we did not thought that okay, it will touch on the yesterday itself because the sell was so intense. Yes, so what are the levels suggesting for today? Based on our smart money lines, we can see we have a confluence of smart money lines over here from which kind of a Bank Nifty took support day before yesterday, but now Bank Nifty is kind of gapped down below this level. So this is the confluence line for smart money lines. We see here around like 34,600 to 34,500. Yes, so this is the level we will be looking for Bank Nifty to take some kind of support. If it does not take support, we have other levels which we can see later, but for today we are hoping that Bank Nifty will take support around this levels over here. So yeah, if Bank Nifty opens here around like below this level of 34,950, we're not going to start chasing the gap down. No, we will wait for it to retest around this level. If Bank Nifty does not manage to close above this level on a 15-minute time frame, we will kind of think of taking a short trade here for a target of 34,600 to 34,500. If Bank Nifty opens around this level of 34,800, 900 and starts dropping down immediately, then this is the level. If Bank Nifty takes support, we will think of going long for a target of 35,000. Yes, Bank Nifty has to take kind of a show that okay, it's kind of taking support around the smart money lines which we expect today, then we will think of going long. If it does not take support on a 15-minute time frame, we will never enter into a long trade. So that's our analysis for Bank Nifty today. Levels are very clear using our supply demand indicator. If you guys would like to use it, email us at smart-money.trade and we can help you set it up. I hope you guys have a profitable day today. If you guys like our content, please subscribe to our channel and send those likes. Thank you.